Hello everyone, today I read the book named Kids. Kids. Horns, legs, hooves, eyes. Look for these words and pictures as you read. Have you ever seen a kid? A kid eat a baby goat. Many mother goats have twins. Twins do not always look the same. Look at the kid's hoof. It has 2 toes. Hooves are hard. Eye. Look at the kid's eye. The black pupil is a rectangle. Kids can see very well. Look at the kid's leg. Kids can jump and climb. They start at 1 week old. Horns. Look at the kid's horns. They are thick. They are hard. A kid will grow up. It belongs to a herd of goats. Okay, let's finish the book. This book isn't a quick game, so let's finish the book. Yes, let's say goodbye now. Bye bye.